Yo, so what is up, guys? I'm here inside my kitchen. Yes, an unusual setting because I'm usually inside the restaurants. But guess what? It's quarantine eats time, and my cousin Miranda, aka Crepes and Cakes, has just hooked it up with some. Whoa, what is this? Oh, what is going on here? Oh, it's the new edition, the Mother's Day special, coming from my cousin Miranda, aka the notorious Crepes and Cakes. But what? This isn't either a crepe or a cake. What is here? Them crab legs, that nice shrimp, potatoes, and andouille sausage, and that beautiful yellow corn on the cob, baby girl. Shout out to my cousin Miranda for coming through. This is a Mother's Day special that she's going to put out. So put in your orders now. I'm the first to review this. And whoa, what is this? A strawberry crunch cake cup. Yo, look at them layers. Fire. Oh, fire. No more talking. It's the eating time. Yo, let me start off with them shrimps still in the shell. Yo, you think I'm gonna peel that shit? Oh, hell no. This flavor is so unique. Super creamy. Super buttery. Which all seafood boil should be. It's so unique. It has a little bit of kick. Definitely from smoked paprika, a little bit of cayenne. And get a little freshness off the fresh chopped parsley on top. Hey yo, check out my mama. Look at me like I'm crazy because I do this about every other day. She said, yo, hungry. Shut the hell up. I don't want to hear you talk. But guess what? I'm her youngest son, so she can't tell me nothing. Yo, let me try out these potatoes. Right off the bat, just by touching these, perfect texture. Holds its firmness, but if you really put down pressure, it should break. Bro, I could eat that. I could eat this like nothing. Yo, I tried out the shrimps. I tried out the potatoes. I think it's time to try out that sausage. Woo! Wow, super unique sausage. Not like your normal andouille. Kind of reminds me of like a breakfast sausage, which most breakfast sausages, the whole itself holds a bunch of fat. So it's nice to see when cooked in something like this, it's rendered down. It goes well with the potatoes. You could tell though the potatoes took in a lot of the fat. Super good. I am in heaven right now. Oh, H Breezy. You don't want to hear the vocals right now. But yo, that's what this food does to me. It's making me sing. Making me sing. And it's, I'm telling you now, it's May 1st. This just made my entire month. Maybe month and a half. I am so happy. I know once you guys order this for your mothers on Mother's Day, coming up, buy it from her. Your mom is gonna make you her favorite child once she opens this up. Shout out Delia's Catch, the Cornelia Marie, the Northwestern. Yo, I bet y'all didn't know I watched that shit. I love. They're looking at me in my soul right now. Ooh, I got the holy trifecta. Oh my god. Damn, yo. I'm just so happy, so thankful that she chose me to try out her first menu for Mother's Day. But yo, I'ma dip it, whip it, grip it. I don't care. Cause yo, that white meat just turned into this nice, beautiful red, orange, and yellow color. And guess where it's going? Into my stomach, baby girl. Bro, what did I do to deserve this? I'm just gonna let you guys know I am a master crab leg breaker. I've been doing this my whole life. all the time. Imperial Buffet, Newington, Connecticut, on a Berlin Turnpike. You see me there, knocking down oysters, knocking down snow crab legs. Yo, that's the spot. But yo, years of experience taught me to do this. You ready? See that little hollow point inside the crab leg? See that little full point inside a crab leg again? Yo, I do have chopsticks right there. I'm not gonna lie. I could use the chopstick to poke this out real quick, but yo, humans, we have mouths for a reason, not just to eat. No, I'm just kidding. That shit did not work. Oh shit, that's shit funny. Alright, yo. Never mind. Oh. Oh. Do you see that? You see that right there? That is beautiful. Like diamonds in the sky. Shout out Rihanna. Yo, drop that album review. Cause yo, look at that. A potato flew around my room before you came and flew into my mouth, and still that shit was so soft. It tasted so good. But guess what? This is for sale for $35. Mother's Day special from my cousin Miranda. Shout out to her again. But yo, this whole time, these crab legs were staring into my soul. But in my peripheral right here, got this massive strawberry crunch cake cup. I'm not washing my hands, yo. I do not care. But yo, yes, I do care. Yo, if you want to avoid being quarantined, wash your hands. But I'm eating right now, so trust. John B, where's the treasure? Where's the treasure? I found it. Shout out to Outer Banks. I found that shit. But yo, you want $400 million in gold or one a strawberry crunch cake cup? I don't know. By the looks of it, I think after this bite, I might just choose this. Layer, you got different layers. So you got this whip, then you got this strawberry cake itself inside there. You got another piece of whip. Then you got crumbs, like cheesecake crumbs. Then I believe she put in bits of strawberry candy, little bits that act as a sugar and chewability purposes, that just add this out of this world texture inside each bite that just like blew my mind, blew my palate away. And you get this nice soft, then you get this nice crumble from the cake, and it just meshes so well. Then you get this nice tartness at the top of it with them strawberry bits just on top. Bro, I think this is worth more than $400 million in gold. I'm sorry, John B. Thank you again. My first IGTV video. So cheers to many more. Bang, bang, bang. I'm out.